Alright, okay, now let's try to do question 3. Okay, Wei Ming has 7 boxes. Okay, he means Wei Ming puts 5 chicks in each box. So 5 chicks in each box. How many chicks are there altogether? Alright, so now highlight this word each, very important. When you have the word each, that means it cannot be addition anymore, even though there's all together there. Alright, and they are talking about boxes and chicks, different things. Okay, you cannot add. So now what I do is I draw my model. Okay, so how many boxes? So I have 7 boxes, means I need to draw 7 bars. Okay, so these boxes represent the groupings. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So you have 7 boxes there. And in each box, there's 5 chicks, so 5 here. Or better to draw it there, to write it there. Okay, class? So now I teach you a better way, so you better write it at the bottom like that. Okay? So now, if you have 7, what is this? Okay? So remember, 7 boxes, so that's 7. 7 boxes means 7 groups. Multiply by 5 in each group. So 7 times 5 gives you a 35. So that's your answer, 35. NTUC. Check your answers. Check your transfer unit there and check box. Okay, let's do the next one. There are 4 chairs in a row. Okay, 4 chairs in a row. How many chairs are there in 2 rows? So in this case, you have to decide which is your group. Okay, so I'll take obviously the row, right? So the row is my grouping. So I have 2 rows, so I show 1 and 2 rows. But you must always know which one is your group and which one in each group. Okay, so in this case, 2 rows, 1, 2, 4 chairs in a row. A means 1, so 1 group, 1 bar, so that's a 4. So how many are there in 2 rows? There you are. Okay, so that's 2 groups of 4, and that's 8. So my answer is 8 chairs in 2 rows. NTUC, check. Next, again, you got to decide on the group and how many in each group. Mary sewed 4 buttons on a dress. A dress. A means 1 dress. So 1 dress, there's 4 buttons. So how many buttons did she sew on 5 dresses? So which one is my group? Yes, your dress, right? So your dress representing 1 bar because it's a. So 1 dress. Now, how many dresses? 5 dresses, so you have to draw an extension to make 5 dresses. So that's 1 bar, 2 bars, 3, 4, and 5. So you have 5 bars to represent your dresses. Now, in each dress, there's 4 buttons. So 1 bar, there's 4 buttons. So how many did she sew on 5 dresses? So here will be 5 groups times 4 in each group. That's 20. So your answer is 20. NTUC, check, 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 check. Okay, all right, question 6. Okay, let's see which is the grouping and which is in each group. Benny has 7 fish tanks. Okay, fish tanks. Fish tank is your groupings. So there are 4 goldfish in each. Again, the word each means one tank, there's 4 in each. Okay, so I have to draw 7 groupings, means 7 bars. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So you have 7 bars there. Okay, so in each means 1. There's 4 goldfishes, so you have 7. How many there? Okay, so which means you have to draw your lines for me. 3 lines, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 lines. So how many groupings? 7 groups of 4 each. So that's 28. So Benny has 28 goldfishes all together. Okay, NTUC, check. That's 4. Okay, transfer, unit, and check. Okay, let's take a look at question 7. Which one is the group and which one is in each group? Camille buys 5 packets of dates. Okay, the dates. Okay, the Muslim likes to eat dates during fasting month. There are 10 dates in each packet. So one packet, there's 10. So there's 5 packets of dates. So you draw for me 5 bars. Right? So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you have 5 bars. Okay, this is too much. So I will just erase that part because I need to show you 5 bars. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 10 dates in each. So here, 10 in each packet. Okay, so how many are there in 5 packets? So draw your 3 lines. Okay, so it's 5 packets. Okay, multiply by 10 in each packet. So that's 50. Alright, so Camille buys 50 dates all together. Okay, NTUC, check the numbers, transfer, unit, and check. Right, next. Haryati picks some seashells. She puts them into 9 baskets. So we know there's 9 baskets. There are 3 seashells in each basket. So one basket, there's 3 seashells. How many seashells does Haryati have altogether? So again, alright, I know my groupings, and that's 9. Okay, I make it longer because it's 9. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, so you have 9 groupings because that represents the 9 basket, and each contains 3 seashells. All right, draw your 3 lines. Okay, so you have 9 groupings multiplied by 3, and that's 27. So Haryati has 27 seashells all together. Stop. And you do your NTUC check. Check your transfer units and checkbox. Okay. Right, next. Serene buys 10 boxes of donuts. So 10 boxes of donuts. There are 10 donuts in each box. Okay. How many donuts does Serene buy altogether? So 10 boxes means I have to draw 10 bars. Can draw a small one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, not enough, and one more, 10. And in each box, there's 10 donuts. So one box here is 10. So how many did she buy in all or all together? So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 groups of 10 in each. So that's 100. Okay. So Serene buys 100 donut all together. Okay. So you have your NTUC all checked. Okay. Next. All right, let's see how many groups and how many in each group. There are 5 stems on a page. So one page, 5 stems. Okay. How many stems are there in 5 such pages? So these 5 represent your group. So you have 5 groupings because you put your stem in the stem pages, right? So you paste them there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have 5 pages. So that's 5 groupings. And in each page, one page, there's 5 stems. So how many stems are there in all? Okay. All right. So draw your 3 lines. So you have 5 groups, multiply by 5 in each group. Your answer is 25. So there are 25 stems altogether. Okay, and NTUC checkbox. Okay, let's see what is the groupings now. There are 2 erasers in a pack. So one pack, 2 erasers. Rachel buys 3 such packs. So these packs is your groupings. So draw 3 bars. So that's 1, 2, 3. So 3 packs. In a pack means one pack, there's 2. Okay, so how many erasers altogether? So you have 3 groups, multiply by 2 equals to 6. So there are 6 erasers altogether. Now you can also write the keyword there. You can also write here as erasers, right? And dash. You can do that for all. That means you write down your keywords in the front. Okay? Alright, so there you have it. So remember, for multiplication word problem, you need to know what is the grouping first. So draw the number of groups to represent. The number of group will be your bar. Alright, so one bar represent one group, and how many in each group? Okay, that's one point. Another point is always remember when you see all together, don't jump to conclusion and say that, oh, it must be an addition sum, because you've got to check when the items are not the same. When they talk about boxes and donuts, all right, that means you cannot add, because boxes and donuts are not the same things. All right, so you have to take note of that. And also remember to take note, you can write down the keywords in front followed by the dash. Okay, all right then, bye.